Welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. It's not as hot out there as yesterday's extreme temperatures, but it's still going to be pretty warm and humid, especially across the east. Sunny spells for most, but also dry for most through the day. However, we are looking at the rain becoming more extensive, especially overnight and into the weekend. Now, the hot conditions of yesterday are trying to be ushered away by this weather front, but it doesn't quite sweep away completely the hot air, so it does linger across the east. Not the same kind of temperatures as yesterday, but still pretty warm and humid across eastern England, where we have one or two thunderstorms rumbling on through the morning. They do tend to fade away. And then we're looking at this zone of thickening cloud, bringing outbreaks of rain over the Midlands and more central parts of southern England, perhaps extending into northern England later on. One or two showers in the west, but generally here it's fine and dry with sunny spells, as it is for most of Scotland. And it's still very warm and humid across the east, with temperatures in the high 20s, maybe low 30s across East Anglia. But in the southeast, not anything like as hot as it was on Thursday, and further west, much more comfortable with temperatures in the low 20s. Now, that area of rain expands and intensifies, pushing into eastern Scotland. Further pulses of rain then developing across central and eastern England overnight. So by morning, it's pretty soggy across much of central and eastern Britain. Further west, it stays cooler and fresher and largely dry. Still pretty warm. Again, not as hot and as humid as recent nights, but temperatures will stay in the high teens for many. Into the weekend, and that zone of rain is going to be pretty slow moving. And it could start to cause some problems as the rain builds up. We see heavier bursts mixed in with that too. Notice the brighter colours. So parts of southern Scotland, northern England, into the Midlands and across the southeast. In that zone, that rain, as I say, really starting to build up a little bit through Saturday and into Sunday. Again, not as hot temperatures even across East Anglia, well down compared to Friday's values. Mostly only in the high teens if you're stuck under that rainy zone, which will persist through Saturday evening. Now, there's a bit of uncertainty about how that rain band moves as we go through Saturday night and into Sunday. It's likely to start to shift a little bit further south, but it is quite slow moving. It will get stuck in some places. And that weather front, as I say, if you're stuck under that, even into Sunday, that rain continuing to build up, and so could cause some problems. That's why we have a warning in force for the weekend under that rain band, under that weather front. It could be very soggy indeed and could cause a few issues. For the very latest updates on the weather warnings, visit the Met Office website, or of course you can follow us on social media.